What's up, guys? It's Jeramie with Jeramie Photography. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We have an amazing unboxing of the Irig Mic Lab, as you see right in front of you. I wanted to add a little bit better audio to my YouTube videos, my unboxing videos, so the audio that you're hearing me right now is just straight through the iPhone 7 Plus. I have the X on order, but I don't have audio set up on this, and I never have. I'm always a photographer, never a videographer, so I decided let's up the game a little bit. Did a ton of YouTube videos, a ton of reviews, watched a lot of stuff, and decided to get the Irig Mic Lab. This thing was originally $40. I got it for $49. The price went up. Apparently everybody's buying it too on Amazon. I'll put the link below. We're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you guys the difference in sound as you're hearing me right now. We'll put it on and do a little talk, a little test, so you guys can see how I sound with it on. But without further ado, let's unbox this baby. This is a tiny, tiny box. And I'm just gonna rip it. I'm gonna rip it, and I'm gonna cut it. I always cut before, but I never do it during. Cool. All right, so it comes with, looks like a just instructions on what to do. I mean, this is pretty simple. Guys, you're gonna plug it into your phone. You're gonna, it automatically starts from what I know. So basically you plug it in and automatically starts right after. You can register the product, download apps. I haven't been a fan of apps lately with a bunch of Chinese stuff on it. Nothing seems to work right. A bunch of their products. Just a bunch more products to check out. But from what I know, this is plug and play. Awesome, guys. So one thing that I really like about this when I was doing some reviews and figuring out what I was going to get is that it actually comes with its own little case. So you guys can see it right there. Its own little travel case to kind of travel around with. Super soft. Super soft. Zipper. And looks like a little netting for something, little mesh. Everything's in this bag, and then this little Ziploc bag is gonna get thrown away ASAP. Ooh, things are falling and rolling. Alright, let's put this over to the side. So I have a few things that I also want to unbox, but I wanted to make sure that I unbox this first. Cool. So this is a little clip, obviously, to clip onto your shirt. Looks like it just goes right there. Low pressure. This thing feels like feels metally. Metal. So I don't know much about audio cords. I mean, this thing feels a little bit thin, but I'm assuming it's a few cords that go through or a few wires. This baby goes onto here, and this is super, super soft and flimsy. I think this is more of like, instead of it blocking any wind sound, I think it uses more of like a pop stand for a regular mic. So it stops with the pop, pop sounds rather than actual like wind. So this looks cool. This goes on my shirt, and we can talk through there. The reason I selected this, guys, was because it has a very like a medium length cord. I was looking at a couple of them, and this thing is pretty long. So it can connect to the phone here and still connect to me without me having to get too far and too close. In the future, the length of cord won't really matter to me, but as of right now, it does. So if you guys do notice, I said I have an iPhone 7 Plus, so I have this amazing little doohickey here that's supposed to go into the audio port of your phone. But as those of you who know, we all have iPhones, and we have the lightning adapter that we have to get with it. I've never used that. I couldn't find it. I know where it is now, and I'm gonna find it, and I'm gonna show you how we set that up. I knew it. I put it in my Beats case, never used it. So in order for us to be able to use this with the iPhone 7 Plus, 8, and the coming X or 10, I need this. This is gonna plug into the side of my phone, and it should be plug and play. So let me show you guys what this sounds like. Alright guys, so it's still not plugged in. I did want to mention one more thing before I do plug it in to show you guys the sound test. But listen to my sound now, listen to the ambient. I have the water heater in the back going on, and I'm in my office, which is in the garage. So we have office stuff going on, computer kind of humming, so we have some things that are happening just around. One thing that I forgot to mention on this is that there is another spot right here that you can actually use for two things. You can actually daisy chain another lav mic, another Irig lav mic onto here. So if you have another person that's talking, you can actually daisy chain one, put it onto them, and both audio will go in. Or if you don't do that, you can actually just do the audio test via here. I was audio testing via video a second ago, recording video with and without, seeing if I notice a difference. But you can just put headphones, anything into here, listen to see what's actually coming through. Really, really cool feature, and that's kind of built in, which is awesome. And this cord length is really, really cool. Now, listen to my voice. We have audio check 1 2 1 2, audio check 1 2 1 2, audio check 1 2 1 2. I have just plugged in the lav mic with the adapter, and it's right here on my shirt. It's just hanging cord. I have it on the outside so you guys can see a little bit better. But as you can tell, the volume should have changed. The ambient noise should have changed. My voice should be focused on a little bit more. And we'll do another test right here. So this is my voice, 1 2 1 2, 1 2 1 2. What do you guys think? Does it make a big difference? I also feel like I'm not yelling at my phone as I'm recording this video, but I want the quality of audio to be better. It doesn't fully take away the ambient sound from around me, but it focuses my voice directly to the microphone, which I like a little bit better. It does the same thing as when I'm using my direct mic when I'm filming my live streams and my videos via my computer. The other option to have, of course, instead of a lav mic would be a shotgun mic. I feel like this is a little bit better, a little bit easier. And like I said, in the future, this will actually work better with my future live stream setup because I need it to be connected directly to my iPhone in order for that to happen. But let me know what you guys think. I'll put a link to the Irig mic lav in the description below. You guys can grab one for yourself. They're $49 right now. Plugs directly in. You must have that adapter if you're an iPhone 6 and higher whenever they started the Lightning. And this is actually my first time actually using this thing, so I'm glad I was able to use it. Whenever iPhone decides to get that jack back, that's totally cool. I'd be happy to have it back. But let me know what you guys think. If this helped you in any way, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, just finding me for the first time, go ahead and give me a subscribe. Photographer, entrepreneur, father, funny things. We do a lot of this stuff. And furthermore, click that bell for notifications to anything that I may be bringing to you guys. Have a good night. Comment below. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you guys later.